What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the I Never Fail Gymwear channel. Today's video is going to be based on starting up a clothing brand. As we said in the last video, we're taking you on our journey on rebuilding the clothing brand. So I thought might as well take you through the 4 or 5 steps that are pretty much standard of you starting your clothing brand and getting it out there. So today's video is about branding, brand name and logo pretty much. So brand name, obviously, choose whatever name you feel is fit for your business, and just go with that. It's a no-brainer. Like, obviously, keep it as close to your niche as possible, because say you don't want an ice cream business and call it Donut King, it just doesn't make sense. So yeah, brand name, go with what you think is cool and follows your niche. Logo, if you're looking to do your own logo and you don't know Photoshop and all that, there's websites named Design Crowd, Brown Crowd, and Canva is the obvious one. Those are all pretty generic logo designs. If you want to get like into technical designs, you have to pretty much pay a little bit of money to get some extra features. I don't really like those websites because they are pretty generic and most of them look the same. So that's my opinion on those. You can go check those out anyway. Fiverr is another way to go, where you can find a designer. And the good thing about Fiverr is you can get reviews. So whatever design they finish with, you may have 3 or to 5 reviews on the design. And you get to, communicate with the designer and say, this is what you want. Got to be careful on there. Make sure you check the reviews of these designers on there, because there are some scammers, obviously. Now, the way that we've gone about it, I've had a personal graphics designer for the last 4 or 5 years. His name's Leo Waitere. He's from Hamilton, New Zealand. He's been helping me a shit ton over the last couple of years, especially when I was doing Twitch. I was on there for about 4 years, 4 years, and he helped me with stingers, logos, emotes, the list goes on. He's done a lot of work with me, and I'm going to share his link in the description too. You can go have a chat with him if you're looking for some designs, because his experience is very good. Like, he's very pricey, but the amount of experience he has, like in terms of time, it really does match up. Because my last design was only like, we finished it in 2 hours, and basically gave him my idea. An hour later he came back, told me I finished, and then we just done some tweaking over the last hour, and yeah, we had it. So for brand name and logo, that's pretty much basic information for you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Episode 2 will be about sourcing clothing, whether it be overseas or locally, or if you want to use print on demand services en masse. And I hope to see you in the next episode. Thanks.